Naghahanap ka ba ng extra income? O di kaya negosyong patok sa gitna ng pandemya? Maaari mo itong gawin kahit nasa ang panig ka man ng mundo.
And if you're watching this video, this is the great opportunity for you.
Magandang araw!
Welcome to Negosyong Patok ngayon.
Hi, I'm Michelle Sumpon Almeida. Today, i-share ko po sa inyo kung paano nga ba maging online franchisee ng Show My King, Siopaw the King, Noodle House, Burger Factory, at Potato King. In addition to that, maaari ka pang maging online franchisee ng Mangbox at ng Boy Bondat for as low as 15,888 pesos only. Yes, tama ang narinig mo. 15,888 pesos lang. Pandemic crisis po ngayon. Kaya kahit gustuin man natin maglabas ng 288,000 para sa food cart kiosk concept, hindi rin po natin mamaximize ang ating negosyo dahil sa nararanasan po nating GCQ, ECQ, at MECQ sa iba't ibang lugar.
May dalawang paraan para kumita. First, as an online franchisee, you will have your very own online shopping or online tindahan of the 7-in-1 food concept, wherein you will have a 30% profit income sa bawat purchase ng customer sa iyong online shop. Halimbawa na lang, customer mo ako at nakita ko ang online shop mo, bumili ako ng worth 1,000 pesos. Automatically, you will have a 30% o 300 pesos na kita. At hindi mo na kailangang isipin kung paano ang products, payment, delivery, sapagkat ang company at mga food hubs ang bahala sa bagay na iyon. All you have to do is to share at i-market ang iyong online shop. O diba, saan ka pa?
Ito ang good news ng company na 14 years na in the food industry na kaya mag-produce ng 30 million pieces of siomai and 7 million pieces of siopaw in a month. In-offer po nila ang online franchise business. O ika-clarify ko lang po ha, ang online franchise ay wala pong kasamang food cart, kaya hindi mo na poproblemahin pa ang renta. And another great advantage of this company compare sa iba na nag-o-offer rin ng food franchise business is that dito, online ang platform mo. Kaya mas malaki ang mamamarketan mong community.
Second way of earning mo bilang isang online franchisee ay pwede ka rin magbenta ng frozen products sa iyong bahay. Or, kung isa kang OFW, pwedeng pamilya mo ang magbenta nito. At the same time, i-market ito sa Facebook. Lahat ng products natin ay ready to cook. So we will give you the guidelines kung paano ito i-prepare so you could also share with your clients or customers. Ang kagandahan pa nito ay meron kang 30% discount from Food Hub or direct sa planta ng mga products natin. So you could also have your own resellers in which you could also be a blessing to other people. In that way, mas lalaki pa ang income mo at mas dadami pa ang sales ng negosyo mo.
Alam mo bang sobrang sulit ng promo na to? Kasi noon, if you want to be a franchisee ng Show My King, you need to pay 288,000. And if you want another concept, gaya ng Siopaw the King or Noodle House, kailangan mo ulit magbayad ng 288,000. Ang good news at ang best part, if you will be an online franchisee for the price of 15,888, maaari ka na maging franchisee ng lahat ng concept na to. Show My King, Siopaw the King, Noodle House, Burger Factory, at Potato King. Lifetime po ito, no royalty fee. In addition to that, yun pong Mangbox at yung Boy Bondat, you can be an online franchisee for 1 year kasi dinagdag lang po ito ng company. Ang kagandahan yan, you will just have to wait 10 to 15 days para ma-activate ang iyong online shop. Unlike a regular food cart kiosk na abutin ng 2 buwan bago maitayo.
Take note, you will automatically have free personal shop link or online store at hindi mo na paproblemahin pa ang server maintenance and security subscription. Kung magpapagawa ka nito at lahat ng mga training, you will pay 85,000 pesos para lang malaman paano i-run ang online business. Pero dahil ang JC Worldwide ay may sariling IT company na Cloud Panda, it will be for free. So you actually save 85,000 pesos. Aside from this, you could also have your own live interactive shop assistant. It will be your shop link para sa JC Health and Beauty products, wherein you could earn 30 to 70%. Also, you can have the privilege of a buy one take one for a lifetime sa JC Health and Beauty products.
Alam mo ba ang favorite part ko sa promo na ito? Ang online franchise ay walang annual charges. No renewal fee, no royalty fee, at maliit lang ang operational expenses. It is a one-time payment, pero lifetime na ang business mo.
Gusto mo ba ng good news? Alam mo ba na nagbibigay ang company ng 5,000 pesos na referral commission sa bawat na i-refer mo na gusto rin maging franchisee katulad mo. Gandahan yan, nakatulong ka na, kikita ka pa. Oh, uulitin ko ha, ito ay limited offer promo only. Kaya huwag mo nang palampasin pa. Habang may oportunidad, maging online franchisee na for as low as 15,888 pesos only. Kung interesado ka, maaari kang mag-message. PM mo lang kami at tutulungan ka namin kung paano magsimula sa negosyong ito. God bless!
Well, good news! We have free online franchise forum via Zoom webinar. Lahat ng katanungan mo at gusto pang malaman patungkol sa online franchise business ay sasagutin yan mismo ng authorized person ng company.
I'm Berlin.
This is Milet.
Welcome to Good Life.